Counseling is a great way to tackle a tough decision, make a change, or get some perspective on your day-to-day life. Here are some tips to help you with your decision. Start by asking yourself what you're looking for. Counselors, psychotherapists, and life coaches all have unique perspectives to offer. So consider your goals, whether you want in-person or online support, and even what you prefer your counselor's gender to be. Next, see what's available in your area. Review people's online profiles to find out what their specialty is and choose someone that would be a good fit for accomplishing your goals. Third, ask your potential counselor questions that will help you determine if they're a good fit. Have they worked with others whose goals were similar to your own? What are their credentials? What's their counseling approach? What does a typical session look like? Counseling can help you better understand yourself, improve your relationship skills, and set personal goals. So take the time to choose a counselor that's right for you.
If you have a question or topic you'd like us to consider, please let us know.